Hello Bunny. Today we'll learn about each arm and R. Wow Daddy, I am excited to learn. Please teach me. Wait, before we start today's lesson, let me tell you something. What is Daddy? If you want to improve your English speaking, fluency and listening, don't miss our English story shorts video. Every short teaches English through fun daily life stories. They are easy to understand and easy to remember. Wow friends, please watch our English story shorts. They will help you speak English with confidence. And if you enjoy our lesson, please like, share and subscribe to support our channel. Now let's start today's lesson. Each arm and R. Is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. Examples: he is a doctor. She is my sister. It is a cat. The book is new. Next one is arm. Arm is used with I, first person singular in the present tense. Examples: I am happy. I am a student. I am from India. And I am tired today. And the last one is R. R is used with you, we, they and plural nouns in the present tense. We are always together. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. We are going to school. They are playing in the park. The books are on the table. The children are happy. So we used are with plural nouns. Thank you. Keep watching for more interesting videos.